Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Um, I'm I'm reading book.
Okay.
And you?
Yeah, I'm doing nothing.
Today we are going to talk about topic fireworks. Um, and
Yes.
I have I have a pass for you.
Okay.
Firstly, part two. Describe a fireworks performance. You should say where it was, when it happened, how beautiful or interesting it was, and say how you feel.
Yes.
Are you
Firstly,
ready?
yeah, I'm ready. And thanks for your cat. And people in our country normally like firework. The Britain flag apply followed the explosion as we set up the firework to celebrate the new year. And on the New Year even in this year, I witnessed a spectacular firework display in the dark sky. And the impressive display of firework made our jaws drop were unforgettable design as they explode in the sky and filled it with color and light. Our family watched the extravagant display from requested spot and couldn't believe the vivid green, red, orange, purple, and yellow color against the night sky. And we heard popping and crackling all around when people started lighting the firecracker, and it was very interesting, exciting. When everyone lit their firecrackers at the same time, and when I heard the sound of fireworks add to the atmosphere created by colors and movement, sparks flew everywhere because it was a windy night and we could hear a lot pop, pop, pop as the fireworks burst one after another. Is really amazing. And the firework moved many different ways. Sorry. Many different ways, shooting stress up to the sky, thrilling, sprilling, and spinning. The firework would rise through the sky, burst, and create a beautiful pattern. And sometimes they turned it into one side colorful color, flower, and other time there would be whole shower of beautiful little flowers. And the twinkling lights in the sky made my mood so much better. It helped me get rid of all their trouble and welcome the New Year's joys. You know, joys? Yeah, and there are in spring fire multicolored fireworks exploding in the sky over city will stay in my mind forever. Yeah, it's all of my talking.
Thank you. Next, we will move on to part three.
Okay.
Question one. Do you think fireworks is a costly?
Yeah, actually, I think fireworks are expensive because they are handcrafted and they are shipped from places like China and India. They cost a lot of. For the reason, it can also depend on how long the show.
Um, why do some people feel more aesthetic when they watch fireworks?
Yeah, it's really interesting question, and fireworks have a way of making people feel happy and emotion. Yeah, even less people mood and have them enjoy occasion even more. The fantastic thing about fireworks is that are different kind of very events like wedding and birthday celebration, and this celebration usually have fireworks going off for hours to evaluate people respect and set them in an incredibly pleasant mood. Yeah.
What are benefits of fireworks?
Wow, the benefit. Oh, okay. I think fireworks are staple of celebrate around the world, and they enhance festivity and create lasting memory. And the advantage of fireworks is that they can be shot of stunning entertainment to viewers, and the skin view created by the glamorous patterns are formed by exploding firework is just breathtaking. And especially for the teens, this can be many efficient way to lure them your party and give them optimal funds. Depending on the camera score used, different firework can have different spectacular effects that can be attractive for viewers.
Very good. The last question. What are the drawbacks of fireworks?
Yeah, when talk about rollback, I just see that firework every very few people are aware of how that firework pose the environment and one's overall well-being. You know, the first disadvantage is property damage. During the summer months, this park producing firework pose a guaranteed to dry and flammable area. And the second reason, fire burning at the high temperature also ignite clothing and cause skin burns. Yeah, and one more disadvantage of firework is that they are way too expensive. And another corner of firework is their negative effect on the environment. And so I think the last disadvantage of firework is that although they are nice to look at, firework are just too noisy and distracting. You know, it mean make the people don't forget on their work. Is they cannot concentrate cause the noisy or firework. Yeah, is one of my answer, and thank you for the topic and thank you for the question.
Thank you. See you again.
Yeah, thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.